Okay, it's done. So that armor sheeting is halfway up into that V-groove. Had I not done that, then all the pressure from the roof, the ceiling, would have been right on the armor very heavily. So this way there's no pressure on the armor at all. This comes down, and again the switch is going to be right over here. So that part's done. I don't know if I showed you before. The ceiling fan is wired up to here. I've got another wire to come over here for a couple reading lights that will go in eventually. I've still got to pull that panel back down and run my wiring for my backup camera and my zombie light. So I've got a lot more wiring to do. That's okay. It'll get done. I'm probably going to hit the road a week from this coming Monday because I've got to get up to Pennsylvania because of family medical stuff. Getting some wires run for the water pump. Up here, coming through here, through there. Of course it'll all be tied up. Through there, and through here, and it'll go right up here on the wall. Okay. Okay, this switch is for, one switch is for the water pump, the other switch is for reading lights. This is just in temporarily. This section is going to be the part that holds up the LEDs above the Murphy table. I was going to put cabinets up there, but there just isn't enough room. The cabinets are so high. I will put cabinets over the kitchen though. I'm going to try to put on this edging, which I've never used before, and see how it goes. Just waiting on the iron to heat up a little bit. Yes, it's getting hot now. So we'll give it a try. See what happens. I'm not sure if it's hot enough yet. Oh yeah, it's hot. So I'll just continue putting it on until we get to the end. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that I've got an overlap on each edge. That way I can sand it smooth. I kind of like it. It'll take a few minutes, but I'll speed this up and carry on. Looks like it's stuck pretty good. Now we'll let the iron cool down. This is nice and cool. So you always want to sand it into your area. If you sand it this way, it'll pull this cap off. So always sand it and touch it with your hand, make sure it's smooth. I'm using a worn belt also. I didn't want a brand new one. One more spot. And it's done. Yep, it's all down. Now I just got to take off the end piece. Remember, always grind into your wood. And I'll show you what the edge looks like. Oh, get my fingers out of the way. And as you can see, it looks just like the wood surface, no plywood edge. I'm just going to go through and ease these corners just a little bit, get rid of the fuzziness, and it's ready to finish sand and clear coat. Alright, I'll be back after a while. Keep checking back. New videos are being added all the time. Don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be reminded every time I upload a new video. That way you won't miss it. Thanks.